data types. We're going to talk about these three types: numbers, string, boolean. What is data type? The type of the data or value is known as data type. For instance, 3 is a number, 4.5 is also a number, but these two numbers are of different types. Here, 3 is of type integer or int, 4.5 is of type float, short for floating point number. Now, why is it called floating point number? That's because 4.5 can be written as 0.45 times 10 or 45.0 times 10 to the power negative 1. In effect, this point is floating around. That's why it's called floating point number. Now let's talk about strings. Strings are collections of things tied together. Here, string is a collection of characters within quotes. So, HELLO is a collection of characters surrounded by quotes. This means this is also a string and this is also a string because they are surrounded by quotes. These are not numbers. There are several different ways we can create a string. Now let's see them one by one. Characters surrounded by single quotes, characters surrounded by 3 single quotes, characters surrounded by double quotes, and characters surrounded by 3 double quotes. Now let's talk about Boolean. So what is a Boolean data type? When something can either be true or false, then the type of that something is bool. So let's look at this situation. 5 is greater than 3. It's obviously true. 5 is less than 3? No, it's false. Now, where do we use this Boolean data type? When we want to perform certain tasks based on certain situations.